So I've hit a little roadblock here on the f250 project. It won't stop us, but it'll slow us down a little bit. Under the dashboard, there's the hole pattern right here for the wire harnesses, and this is the slot where the computer sat. This is the computer, and it was bolted through the firewall so that the computer was in the cab, but the connection is outside under the hood. So I've got a big square hole and then the 3 rounds. Well, on the other cab, we'll call it the white cab. On the white cab, the firewall is totally different. So even the brake, the parking brake assembly is different. So this has got to come out. This has to come out. And then I have to cut the hole for the other one and then drill the other 2 holes there. So I'll probably do the same thing that I did on my CJ Jeep when I rebuilt that. So what I'm thinking is, I know this video is gonna be a little crazy. I will cut this hole. I will cut this right out all the way up here and around the whole firewall. Then I'll take the white one, cut a big chunk out of that, and then weld this piece in. I think that's actually quicker and easier than trying to mimic the positioning of all of these holes on that one when it already has a big hole halfway. You know, that other hole is like somewhere like right here. So it's like, it would just be a lot easier to, I believe, to do it that way. So that's a little roadblock. But it won't stop us. Until next time.